Hello everyone, this is Kathy. 今天要说的是 Letter A 的读音跟发音。Let's take a look at these farm animals. Okay, look at this one first. What animal is it? Quack, 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 quack. Oh, this is a duck. Say duck, duck. And a duck says quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack. Okay, a duck says quack. What animal is it? This is a cat. And the cat says meow, meow. What animal is it? This is a dog. Okay, dog. Very good. Say dog, dog. And the dog says huff, 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 huff. What about this one? This is a pig, pig. And the pig says oink, 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 oink. Okay, what animal is it? This is a cow. And the cow says moo, moo, moo. Okay, a dog says quack, quack. A cat says meow. A dog says woof, woof. A pig says oink, oink. And the cow says moo, moo. Okay, let's take a look inside. Ta-da! This is a big A and this is a little A. And they both say ah, ah, ah. You need to open your mouth wide to say this sound. OK， 在念这个 A 的发音的时候，我们嘴巴要很夸张，要张得够大够宽，然后舌头要顶在下排牙齿的后方。啊啊啊！那这个音呢，它有点像是跟 o 两个音的结合。但是你要把它融在一起，把它变成好像一个音一样。The A says The A says Every letter makes the sound. The A says Okay, one more time. The A says The A says Every letter makes the sound. The A says 那我们在教发音的时候，我们都会先教以字母为字首的单字，例如 A is for apple, A is for alligator, A apple, A alligator. Okay, say it with me. A apple, A alligator. Very good.